Welcome, food lovers, to your very own Shohini's kitchen. Today's recipe is the very tasty Bengali dish Mourala Maacher Chorchori. So let's take a look at the recipe. To make this dish, we need Mourala fish, which are tiny fishes. And before we start preparing this dish, we need to clean the fish thoroughly. Cut the potatoes and soak them in cold water to prevent oxidation, which will help the potatoes retain its color and look fresh. Fish recipes taste even better when cooked in mustard oil. But remember that the mustard oil should reach its smoking point, and only then can you start adding the ingredients to the oil. In case you don't like the taste of mustard oil, you can use any other oil of your choice to cook this recipe. Just keep in mind that the oil should be flavorless. The Mourala fish is fried and ready to go into the chorchori. So let's start preparing the chorchori. Mourala Maacher Chorchori is a spicy dish, so I have added more green chilies as per our taste. Feel free to add green chilies as per your taste. If you don't like it too spicy, you can add less green chilies. The Mourala Maacher Chorchori is now ready. If you try making this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section if you have any question regarding this recipe or you would like to share your valuable feedback. I would love to read them all. Feel free to share any suggestion for a future recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week then with another exciting dish. Till then, enjoy the Mourala Maacher Chorchori with your family and friends.